Let's go to Midjourney and create a adorable cute rabbit with prompt from description, upscale and save this image. Then go to pixabay.com and find video with particles that you like. This video looks cool and we can download this video for free. Then paste rabbit image in Photoshop, go to window and open timeline. Paste image to document and in panel with layers, change blending mode to screen. After that, move layer in right position on image, change size a little bit, scale, and then in top panel, let's go to transform mode. And now we can transform layer as we like. Press enter to apply changes. Then go to layer panel and add mask to video layer. Then select brush tool with black color and draw on elements that you don't like. We can use same video layer for eyes. In layer panel, let's duplicate video with mask. Then right click and convert this layer to smart object. Now we can easily change size, rotate and move this layer on eye. Hold Alt for duplicate this layer. Mesh for second eye. Go to File, Export, Render Video. Check Settings and press Render.